Good morning, good morning, good morning, refined investors. Hey, quick video. There's a lot of tension that it continues. The uncertainty continues about the markets, about where things are headed. Crypto had a pretty rough day. The markets had a rough day yesterday being Monday. You've got two camps. You've got things are going to sell off camp because people want to take profits and they don't know what's going to go on. They don't know what's happening. Then you have the camp that says, no, nobody's going to sell now. They don't want to pay taxes in 2026. And so you have two schools. Guys, again, the world is split among different types of people with different financial situations and circumstances. You and I being the same. Each one of us has a different perspective and different reasons behind why we do what we do. Remember that when you make investment decisions. This is why I'm really against day trading, and I'm certainly against leverage. Guys, take a position. Stick with your position, okay? And if you're new to this, you may have to go through a cycle where you don't really know when to sell, okay? What you definitely don't want to do, please, what you do not want to do is sell at a loss. If you sell at a loss, the only reason you had to do that is because you invested money that was not available, that you had to take away from your family to make investments into the market. Do not do that. If you have an investment, if you have a stake in the stock market, in equities, in crypto, you only need to be doing that knowing that you can survive without touching that money for a period of time. Could be a year, could be 2, could be 3. That is the correct, right mindset for making investments as a refined investor, as someone who understands what it means to develop something long-term for your family, generationally. It is not an overnight thing, guys. And for that reason, your approach and your mentality has to be thinking, you know what? I'm not going to sell at a loss because I'm panicking. No, I'm going to learn. And CZ said this best this morning on Twitter. He said, you want to get an idea what it's like. Why don't you go see the people who've been in the market for 4 or 5 years or 10 years and understand what it takes, the resilience it takes to have the stomach to just hold your ground and know that good things are still on the horizon. So anyways, just want to leave you with that. I want you to really think about where you are, and I want you to understand that fear could really trick you out of a fantastic opportunity. Do not let fear control you. Be smart, make good decisions, and always, guys, always take care of your family first.